Tuh dua.
Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, and lead us not into temptation, deliver us from evil. For thy is kingdom, power, and glory, ever and ever. Amen.
Kita atur ruas baba black sheep itu. Ruai
Black sheep, have you anyone? Yes, sir, yes, sir. He waits one for my mother and one for my dear, and one for the little boy. How dear.
Sir.